Hi guys, thank you for joining me in my first video on this channel, Coding Done. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something new. Let's start from the beginning. I wanted to kick off this video series with JavaScript. First of all, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that helps make websites interactive. By interactive, I mean things move or change after you click or take some actions without needing to reload the web page. Let me explain more. You probably know that JavaScript is used alongside HTML and CSS. Think of it this way. HTML is like the skeleton of a website. It defines what elements appear on the page and where, like placing a title at the top, images in the middle, and buttons at the bottom. That's HTML in simple terms. CSS is like the skin and clothes. It makes everything look nice. For example, it adds color to buttons, styles the text, and designs the background. JavaScript, on the other hand, is like the brain. It makes the website respond to what you do. For example, when you click a button, JavaScript can show you a message, change the color of text, or anything else you want. In my opinion, JavaScript brings the website to life. These are the three main pillars of web development that you should know before diving into creating web applications. In this video, I'm assuming you already have some basics of HTML and CSS because we'll be using them. It's impossible to explain anything in JavaScript without touching on HTML and CSS, so make sure you are familiar with the basics. If you like my explanations and want me to create videos on HTML and CSS before diving deeper into JavaScript, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to do that for you. Trust me, it's super easy and you will enjoy learning it. Now, let me give you a real example of JavaScript to show you what I mean by JavaScript gives life to a web page. Here is a basic HTML page with some text, a button, and a header. But as you can see, nothing happens, no actions or events when you click the button or hover over the text. It feels like the page is missing something, right? This is where JavaScript comes in. I want the button to change its background color when clicked, and I also want to count the number of clicks. JavaScript will do that for us. Here is the page with JavaScript added. As you can see, clicking the button changes its color and keeps track of the number of clicks, displaying data information in the text below the button. It's amazing, right? Now, I think you have an idea of why we use JavaScript. You are probably wondering how do we do all of that? Don't worry, we'll go through all of it together and create fun things. But before we get started, we need to choose the right editor for programming. So, let's do that next. I will be waiting for you in the next video. Bye!